Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing this Yeelight motion sensing nightlight from Xiaomi or Yeelight itself. By the way, I purchased this product on Xiaomi's Sharesave application and the actual price is 1224 rupees, and if you buy it along with someone else, you can buy it for 1080 rupees. By the way guys, this application or service from Xiaomi is a very good one. I've purchased many products, so if you want to buy it, do give it a try. So this is the box, and on the front we have a preview of how the light looks. Honestly, I thought the light would be much bigger just looking at the pictures, but it is pretty small. Now at the bottom we have the brand's name once again, and that's it. On the front and back we have the brand's name. Now on the back we have model number, specifications and a barcode, and it says this product has 25,000 hours of lifetime, so that's insanely large. So guys, now let's unbox it, and that's all it takes. At the top we have some documentation. It seems to be in English, so that's pretty cool. Next we have the product itself and a charging cable. Now let's have a quick physical overview. Now this is how the nightlight looks on the front, and this is where the LEDs are. At the top we have a switch with 3 options: off, on and auto. And if it's put to off, lights are off obviously, and if you turn it on, lights are always on. Now if you set it to auto, it will turn on automatically if the room is completely dark, and if it detects any motion, it keeps the light on for 15 seconds. Now the central bubble kind of a thing over here might be used for motion sensing. At the bottom, it is the micro USB charging port. Now on the back side, we have a nice hook, so we can hang it in your wardrobe. Next, we also have this magnetic clip, which is super strong. Now this is a magnetic clip that you can stick to your wall, and then just align it and it will get stuck. So this is a very nice setup, and you can just stick this part to your wall or your roof, and then once the charging is out on this device, you can remove it without any hassle, charge it, and then just stick it up like that. Now let's test the auto mode or the motion sensing thing. So for that I have to turn off all the lights. So first I'll do that, and now I'll cover it with a box. So guys, now the light has been turned off. It's in auto mode and the room is completely dark. So now I'm going to remove this box. It should detect a motion and turn on automatically. And there you go. So it does work. So guys, this is the Yeelight motion sensor nightlight. I know pricing is a bit too high, but it works, and if you can get it, it'll be a nice addition to your home. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. By the way guys, you can also buy this product on websites like GearBest and Banggood. If there is any offer, you might be able to get it at a cheaper price. So if you want to know more about this product, link for that is in the description. Do check it out. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, signing off.